Hello students, now in class 11th, I will tell you today some more points about the simple pendulum. About simple pendulum. Now we know that this is a simple pendulum. This is the effective length. The time period. Of simple pendulum T equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. This is the general way that we have this. Then this L is always measured from the center of the bob. So this length L plus the radius of this bob, that will equal to the effective length. Now we take the first position here. A moving lift. Suppose the pendulum is in the moving lift. Pendulum is suspended in moving lift. Then there will be the two positions. Suppose this is the lift. This is lift. It is going up. The weight will act vertically downward. So lift moving upward. In this case, we can have this T minus mg equal to ma, so T equal to m into g plus a. T is the tension here. Tension. So time period. T is equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G plus A. This is now time period. Now B. Lift moving downward. Suppose this is the lift and it is moving downward. Its weight is mg and this is now tension T. So moving downward, then this is equal to mg minus T equal to ma. The acceleration will be downward. So this T equal to mg minus a. So time period t equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G minus A. So this is so much. And see freely falling lifts. Freely falling lifts, this G is equal to, this A is equal to G. A equal to G. Therefore, T equal to infinity. And frequency n equal to 0. So this is about the lifts. When this simple pendulum is attached with this moving lift, when this is rises up, when this goes moving upward, then the time period increases. When downward, then time period increases. Here the time period decreases. But when it falls freely, then time period equal to infinity. So frequency is 0. Now the second point. Suppose we have a charged pendulum in electric field. A. Now there may be two situations. The A, suppose this is the pendulum, this is suppose positive charge, and this is the electric field E in this way. Then definitely you can have that the force F equal to QE. Let's here the charge is plus Q. So this MA equal to QE or A equal to QE upon M. So the effective value of G equal to G minus QE upon M. Therefore, time period T equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G minus QE upon M. Now this will be so much. And if suppose electric field is downward, upward electric field. And B for downward electric field. And downward will be what? That suppose this is the pendulum. This is now charge plus Q and the electric field is in this way. So in place of this minus we will have the plus. So therefore effective acceleration equal to G plus QE upon M. And you can find that from here this time period. Therefore, time period T equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G plus QE upon M. So this will be the time period. So you can see that this is the time period is so much, and this time period is so much. So when this is a positive charge and electric field is upward, then the time period will increase, and when this electric field is downward, a positive charge, then time period will decrease. So this is what the effects of the electric field. And now third question that I am taking here. Third question. A hollow pendulum filled with water which leaks through a hole. Then what we are having to this one is that suppose this is the bow, and this is filled with water, and it has a small hole so that the water goes out from it. This is the center. So you can see from the relation that the effective length now this time period T equal to 2 pi square root of L upon G. When the water does not leak from it, as water leaks through the hole, in pendulum, the effective length increases. Because the center of gravity goes down. The time periods will increase. When whole of the water whole of water as leaked. The time period would be same. Same as when it was full of water. Was full of water. So initially, as this water goes down, as this water leaks from this pendulum, the center of gravity goes down, so the effective length increases. Because initially the effective length will be at this center, there is so much, and as the water goes down slowly, then this center will go downward. So effective length increases, and that the time period will also increase. But when whole of the water will leak out from this pendulum, then the time period would be same as when it was filled with the water. So initially the time period increases, and then it comes to its initial value of the time period. So, and also now this no pendulum can have time period of 1 day, that means 24 hours. This is not possible, because if this is so, then the length of the pendulum will be many times the radius of the earth. So this is what no pendulum can have the time period of 1 day. I told you that when the length is infinity, even the time period of the pendulum is 84.6 minutes. So this we can say that no pendulum can have the time period of 1 day or 24 hours. So these were some main points which I have to tell you, because these are very important from the point of view of your exams like NEET and engineering. So please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.